So I'm back with part 2 and the final part for this dress form assemblage, and let me show you a couple of small changes I made. I added some beads to the very top. I exchanged a piece of jewelry here and instead added the ring, the same type I have here on the base. And then I took some more earrings, some moldable ones, and added them here and a little bit above the waist. Now these thin earrings which bend are really great for round areas like the shoulder up there. And the rest, well, I added some texture paste, mainly to the arm and the little skirt on the bottom. I also added some chain. I added it to the foot of the base and to the top of the skirt. And I think now it is ready to get painted. Now usually I use black gesso for it, but in this case I want to try out some black spray paint. So I will do that in my garage and I am back in just a second. So here it is all done. It worked of course very well. It's a matte black spray paint. It only took one coat and of course made the process much faster. By the way, if you did not see part 1 yet, there will be a link below in my description box where you can find how I started this assemblage. So next I want to bring out all the texture this piece has by using metallic paints, a dry brush and a light touch. I use different shades of metallic from bronze to copper. There will be some green, there will be some gold. So I'll let you watch from here on because the process is very, very simple and I will talk to you in just a wee bit. Enjoy. Now the sash to me called for something dangling like a charm, so I went ahead and made one ahead of time, but let me show you what I used. First of all, an old earring. It looks a little bit like chainmail with nice dangles. Then there is a scroll. There are some beads, so some of those I just used on the form. And then there are some pearls with a key and a piece from a pretty bracelet. Now it has lovely colors, and I have some of the broken off pieces which I will use on the form later on. And then a tiny emblem of a sun, and that's already it. I added a chain to it and a little clasp. This way I can attach it to the sash very easily, and if need be I can take it off very easily as well. Sometimes it's hard to know where to stop, but I think it's done, it's completed. Anything more would just overload it. Now I realized that the angle, the way I was working and the way my camera was positioned wasn't perfect for you to get a good look, but I hope that it still gave you a good idea of what I did, and that it inspires you to maybe use art materials and things you come across which look interesting and transform them into something new, something of your liking. So here is a close-up of all the details. Now I will, of course, like always, add photos at the end. So everything was kept in very metallic tones like copper and bronze and gold, except the green accent. I think it gave the piece more interest, and I'm quite happy with the way my poor man's resin came out. It isn't completely smooth on the top. I could have probably achieved it with 2 or 3 more coats, but I didn't see it necessary. So here it is. Here is my Amazon Warrior. I had so much fun with it. I just love making these assemblages. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you will come and see me soon again for more fun projects and definitely more assemblages as well. Until then, bye bye for now.